The Black Hornet, developed by Prox Dynamics as of Norway, represents a significant advancement in military micro-unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) technology. Unlike traditional helicopters, these UAVs are the size of a smartphone and weigh only 16 grams, making them perfectly suited for reconnaissance missions in confined or hazardous environments. Despite their diminutive size, Black Hornets are equipped with impressive technology. They feature 3 cameras, one facing forward, one straight down, and one angled at 45 degrees, providing comprehensive situational awareness. These cameras capture high-resolution video and still images in both daylight and low-light conditions, ensuring versatility in various operational scenarios. With a data link range of up to 1.6 kilometers, 1 mile, the Black Hornet can transmit video and images over significant distances, enhancing its utility in the field. The quick charging capability, allowing one unit to be charged in 20 to 25 minutes while another is in use, ensures continuous operation and minimal downtime. Currently deployed by military forces in countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, and Norway. The Black Hornet has proven its value in gathering intelligence and maintaining situational awareness on the battlefield. Its compact size and advanced capabilities make it an indispensable tool for modern military operations, providing crucial information in real time and enhancing the effectiveness of ground forces. The Bell 360 Invictus. The Bell 360 Invictus was a proposed attack reconnaissance helicopter developed by Bell Textron for the U.S. Army's Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program. Aiming to address the Army's need for a versatile and advanced helicopter, the Invictus leveraged proven technology from Bell's commercial Bell 525 Relentless. This strategic choice aimed to reduce development risks and accelerate the production timeline. The Invictus boasted a design that prioritized maneuverability, lethality, and sustainability. Its agility was intended to provide superior performance in complex combat environments, while its armament configuration focused on delivering significant firepower. Sustainability was a key consideration, with an emphasis on ease of maintenance to ensure operational readiness and cost efficiency. Despite its promising features, the Bell 360 Invictus did not secure the FARA contract and was ultimately canceled. Bell Textron had released substantial information about the Invictus, highlighting its innovative aspects and potential benefits to the U.S. Army. However, the decision to cancel the program marked the end of this ambitious project, reflecting the intense competition and high stakes involved in modern military procurement processes. The CUAS Striker. The CUAS Striker is a specialized variant of the Striker armored fighting vehicle purpose-built to counter unmanned aerial systems, US, commonly known as drones. Its primary mission is to defend against enemy drones, ensuring ground forces remain protected from aerial threats. This variant enhances a standard Striker by equipping it with advanced CUAS technology designed to detect, identify, track, and neutralize drones. The CUAS Striker employs a multifaceted defense strategy, utilizing both kinetic, physical, and non-kinetic electronic methods. This layered approach ensures that drones can be effectively countered through a variety of means, enhancing operational flexibility. The integration of CUAS capabilities does not compromise the core benefits of the Striker platform. Soldiers benefit from its inherent mobility, firepower, and protection, while gaining specialized anti-drone defense. The CUAS Striker thus combines the proven reliability of the Striker vehicle with cutting-edge drone countermeasures. Since its inception, the CUAS Striker has seen rapid development, with successful prototypes built in 2022. Efforts have continued into 2024 to further enhance its capabilities, particularly through the integration of directed energy weapons like lasers. These advancements aim to provide a more versatile and effective defense system against the evolving threat of drones. The Rogue One multi-mission, optionally lethal VTOL UAS, developed by Teledyne FLIR, epitomizes the cutting edge of drone technology for modern military operations. Designed specifically for the U.S. Marine Corps and Special Operations Command, this versatile drone is built to excel in both reconnaissance and attack missions. A vertical takeoff and landing VTOL unmanned aerial system. The Rogue One offers remarkable flexibility in deployment, capable of operating in diverse environments without the need for traditional runways. Its multi-purpose design allows it to be outfitted with various payloads, making it suitable for surveillance, training, or direct combat roles. One of the standout features of the Rogue One is its ability to switch between lethal and non-lethal operations, providing commanders with a wide range of tactical options. This versatility is complemented by a unique safety mechanism that enables mission abort and drone retrieval, significantly reducing operational losses and environmental impact. Performance-wise, the Rogue One impresses with a 30-minute flight time, a range exceeding 6 miles, and burst speeds over 70 miles per hour. These specifications ensure it can cover substantial areas quickly and efficiently, delivering critical intelligence or engaging targets with precision. Viper Micro Tactical UAS. The Viper Micro Tactical UAS by Spirov represents a significant innovation in the field of encapsulated drone systems, tailored specifically for small military units such as squads. Weighing under 1.2 kilograms, this micro yet lethal drone is designed for easy portability and rapid deployment, making it a vital asset for precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. One of the key features of the Viper is its capability as a loitering munition. This allows the drone to remain airborne after launch, providing continuous real-time reconnaissance and the ability to strike targets upon identification. The Viper's dual camera system, equipped with both electro-optical and infrared vision, ensures effective operation during both day and night. The Viper is loaded with advanced technology, including AI-powered targeting that autonomously identifies and tracks targets, significantly enhancing mission accuracy. Its long-range control capability allows operators to command the drone from up to 5 kilometers away, providing flexibility and safety in various operational environments. Its modular design stands out, allowing for different payloads to be equipped depending on the mission requirements. This adaptability, combined with the drone's encapsulated form factor, ensures that the Viper is not only protected during transport, but also quick and easy to deploy. The rugged, sealed capsule doubles as a launch mechanism and a wireless router, simplifying communication and deployment processes. What about the most inspiring vehicles from the future?